Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So on my lips today I'm wearing a combination of these Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream, one in 52 and the other one in 10. So I first apply the pink one and then I dab this a little on it, and it gives a very nice pinkish red shade, and I really like the way it looks. I mean, I do have shades that look like this, but sometimes I just like mixing colors. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can turn your extremely dry and flaky skin into very glowy and radiant looking skin, because nowadays even if I just wash my face and come out, I still have that glow and my skin does not look very dry and stretchy. So it's a very simple method and you can do it whenever you feel like. I do it sometimes 2 times a month or sometimes once a month. I'm not even consistent and yet the results are so good. So yeah, let's see how to do it. So I'm just going to put my hair behind and I do all this styling to my hair by the end of the day to look like Lord Farquaad. Okay, so all you have to do is just take any aloe vera gel, any will do. You can use Patanjali, anything. I'm using the BodyCupid aloe vera gel. This is 99% pure gel. This does not have any fragrance or any kind of color, so that's why I really like it. So I'm just going to take a little bit of that, and to that I'm going to add 1 full capsule of this vitamin E oil, Evion tablets. Now the one that I'm using is 600 mg. If you do not have 600 mg, you can use the I think it's 400 mg. Yeah, you can use that. Now I'm sure a lot of you will ask this question, is if you have oily skin, can you use it? You can absolutely use it, but just use 1 or 2 drops of this oil because this is quite heavy. So I'm just going to mix this on my hands and massage it onto my skin. Now once I've massaged this on my skin, I'm going to leave it for max 15 minutes. You do not have to leave it for longer. I just leave it for 15 minutes and then I wash it off with plain water, nothing but plain water. Now whenever you're doing this, make sure you have washed your face and scrubbed your skin. I'll tell you why. Because if your skin has all the oil and dirt in it and you know your pores are not clean, then this will not be as effective as it would be if your pores were extremely clean and your face was clean. So make sure that you apply this on a clean face, wash it and scrub it and then apply this. So I'm going to leave this on for about 15 minutes and then wash it off. Now this is how my skin immediately looks after I do that. Your skin will feel a little sticky. There will be a little stickiness, a little tackiness, because vitamin E oil is quite heavy in consistency. So if this doesn't bother you, then it's fine, but if it bothers you, use a very mild cleanser, a gentle cleanser, and you can get rid of it. But I usually like it like this, and I like to sleep in with that little bit of oil on the skin. I feel like when I wake up in the morning, my skin looks really healthy and glowy and radiant. But if it bothers you, you can always wash it off. Now the best time to do this is at night, so that you can sleep and you do not have to go out in pollution or in sun. So do it at night, sleep. You will absolutely love the results. Now for people who are confused, it's the yellow tablets, not the green ones. This is 600 and I think the green ones is 400 mg. I like using this, but if you have that, you can use that as well. Not a problem at all. And again, if your skin is oily, just use 1 or 2 drops of it. You can still use it. There's no harm. You're not going to have any kind of breakout. But this, you know, when you're continuously doing it, it will help in your overall, in the overall quality of your skin. Your skin will look good. It will look radiant. Pigmentation, spots, dark spots, marks, anything will slowly fade away. This does take time, but the results are really good. So try it and let me know, and if you have any other questions, any other queries, you can leave it in the comment section and I will reply to you. So I hope you girls found this video helpful and I hope you liked it, and if you did, then please like and subscribe. Until next time, bye.